Welcome, friends. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most practical, eye-opening, and timeless books, Same as Ever, by Morgan Housel. Morgan Housel believes something very simple, yet extremely powerful. The world keeps changing, but human behavior stays the same. Technology changes, economies change, trends change, but people, their fears, hopes, greed, jealousy, confidence, dreams, and mistakes remain the same, generation after generation. If we understand human behavior, we can understand the past, present, and future. So let's walk through this amazing book in a friendly and easy way. Chapter 1, Same as Ever. The main idea is, what makes the world uncertain is not technology or new inventions. It is human behavior. And human behavior is the same today as it was 100 years ago. Fear, greed, ambition, jealousy, hope, these feelings never change. This is why history repeats itself. If you want to understand the future, study human nature. Chapter 2, Wealth is what you don't see. Morgan says something incredibly important. The rich you see around you, cars, phones, clothes, are not actually rich. Real wealth is hidden. Real wealth is your savings, your investments, your financial independence. The money you don't spend is your actual power. Chapter 3, Compounding is magic. Compounding works slowly in the beginning. And then suddenly, it explodes. Examples. Warren Buffett earned 99% of his wealth after age 50. Small actions repeated for long periods create unbelievable results. Lesson. Consistency beats intensity. Chapter 4. Risk is part of life. Most people understand reward, but they ignore risk. Life is unpredictable. Markets fall. Jobs are lost. Health problems happen. This is normal. Success requires a backup plan, emergency savings, emotional stability. Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Chapter 5. Nobody knows the future. Experts can be wrong. Predictions fail. Luck and timing change everything. Unexpected events shape history. This means, you cannot plan perfectly. But you can stay flexible. When you cannot predict, you prepare. Chapter 6. Why pessimism sounds smart. Negativity sounds more intelligent than positivity. Disaster gets attention. Fear spreads quickly. Bad news looks urgent. But progress in the world happens slowly and silently. Pessimism is loud. Optimism is quiet, but more accurate in the long run. Chapter 7. The power of long-term thinking. In the modern world, people want fast success, fast money, fast results. But reality, good things take time. Growth is slow, until suddenly it's huge. Like a bamboo tree, it grows underground for years. And then shoots up 90 feet in weeks. Lesson. Patience is the strongest superpower. Chapter 8. People are emotional, not rational. Logic is rare. Emotions are universal. People make decisions because of convenience, fear, insecurity, excitement. This is why markets fluctuate. This is why people copy others. This is why trends become bubbles. Understanding emotions equals understanding human decisions. Chapter 9. A balanced life matters more than money. Money is important, but not everything. A truly rich life includes health, relationships, mental peace, purpose. Morgan says, a meaningful life is richer than a wealthy bank account. Chapter 10. Adaptability wins. The world is changing faster than ever. The most successful people are those who accept change, adjust quickly, stay curious. Rigid minds break, flexible minds grow. Chapter 11. History repeats because human nature repeats. We think new problems are unique. But Morgan says, bubbles happened before, crashes happened before, innovations happened before. We just have different names for the same old behaviors. History doesn't repeat word for word. It rhymes with human nature. Chapter 12. Control what you can. We waste time trying to control things we cannot. Economy, politics, opinions of others, market crashes. But we can control our habits, our reactions, our discipline, our learning. Your response matters more than the situation. Chapter 13. The hard part is not skill, it's discipline. Knowledge is easy to get. Discipline is hard. Success depends on your patience, your self-control, your emotions, your ability to keep going. Everyone knows what is right, but only a few do it consistently. Chapter 14. Happiness comes from enough. People chase more money non-stop. But if you cannot define how much is enough, you will be miserable. Enough equals peace. Enough equals satisfaction. Enough equals freedom. If you always want more, you will never be happy. Chapter 15. Resilience is everything. Life will hit you. Failures will come. People will leave. Unexpected problems will happen. But winners are not special. They are just the ones who continue. Resilience is the real strength. Chapter 16. Accept uncertainty. The world is uncertain and unpredictable. Instead of fighting it, accept it, prepare for it, and stay calm. Certainty is an illusion. Flexibility is real safety. Chapter 17. Experience matters more than intelligence. Smart people fail. Experienced people survive. The world is not about IQ. It's about understanding, timing, behavior, emotions, patterns. Experience teaches what books cannot. Chapter 18. People change with life. Your goals at 20 are not the same at 40. So don't be rigid about dreams, careers, expectations. Growth means change. Allow yourself to evolve. Chapter 19. The world doesn't owe you anything. Life is unfair sometimes. Good people suffer. Bad people win. But getting angry at life only hurts you. Accept the randomness. Build your strength. Move forward. Chapter 20. The importance of staying simple. Complicated strategies fail. Simple strategies win consistently. Morgan says, spend less than you earn. Save regularly. Avoid debt. Be patient. Stay calm. Simple but powerful. Chapter 21. Look beneath the surface. What we see is not the full truth. Behind success, years of hard work, failures, sacrifices. Behind wealth, self-control, discipline, consistency. Don't judge by the surface. Chapter 22. Luck, timing, and chance. Luck plays a huge role in life. So does timing. So does family background. So does opportunity. Not everything is in your control. This should make you humble, grateful, less judgmental. Chapter 23. The only constant is human nature. Technology will change. Politics will change. Markets will change. But human nature, fear, greed, impatience, hope, curiosity, will always stay the same. And that is why the book is titled Same as Ever. The ultimate lesson is, you cannot predict the future, but you can understand people. And if you understand people, you understand everything. To live a peaceful and successful life, focus on what you can control. Stay patient. Avoid unnecessary risks. Stay humble. And manage your emotions. If you master your behavior, you master your life. Thank you so much for watching or listening. I hope you enjoyed this friendly, detailed summary of Same as Ever by Morgan Housel.